In this video, we're going to discover the three ways to solve simultaneous equations. The first one is graphically. Simultaneous equations graphically. Y minus 3x equals minus 1. X plus y equals 3. First, open a graphics page. Control, Doc, Graphs. Now enter your two graphs. Because we're not entering them conventionally, press delete, and then you're given 6 options. We want relation. Now type in your graph. So y minus 3x equals minus 1. Let's get this out of the way. Now press tab to enter your second graph. Again, it's opened as relation, so we can just type it in. So x plus y equals 3. Let's get this out of the way. Now we want to find the point of intersection. To do this, press Menu, Geometry, Points and Lines, Intersection Points. Now press and touch your first graph, then go to your second graph, and any points of intersection will appear. So the solutions to our simultaneous equations are x equals 1, y equals 2. Method 2, the substitution method. Again, we're going to solve the simultaneous equations y minus 3x equals minus 1 and x plus y equals 3. I've named y minus 3x equals minus 1 as equation 1 and x plus y equals 3 as equation 2. In the substitution method, you're going to substitute for one of your variables into one of your equations. So the first thing you have to do is find a value for one of your variables in terms of the other. So if I take equation 1 and rearrange it, I can rearrange it so it reads y equals 3x minus 1. So now I have y in terms of x. So now, using equation 2, I'm going to substitute for y. So I start with x plus, now substitute for y, 3x minus 1 equals 3. Collect your like terms, so you get 4x minus 1 equals 3. So you get 4x equals 4. So x equals 1. Now I have a value for x. I can use that value in one of my equations to find the value of y. So I'm going to use equation 1 and I'm going to substitute x equals 1. So I've got y minus 3 times 1 equals minus 1. So y minus 3 equals minus 1. So y equals minus 1 plus 3. So y equals 2. So I've now got my values. X equals 1, y equals 2. Method 3, the elimination method. In the elimination method, you try to eliminate one of your variables by adding or subtracting your two equations. Again, we're going to solve y minus 3x equals minus 1, which I've called equation 1, and x plus y equals 3, which I've called equation 2. If I subtract equation 2 from equation 1, I will get minus 3x minus another x is minus 4x y minus y, they disappear. Minus 1 minus another 3 equals minus 4. Now I can solve for x, so x equals minus 4 divided by minus 4, so x equals 1. Now I have a value for x. I can substitute that into one of my equations, so I'm going to use equation 2. So I will get 1 plus y equals 3. Rearrange to solve y. So I get y equals 3 minus 1. So y equals 2. So my solutions are x equals 1 and y equals 2. Now we'll do a slightly more difficult example. So solve the simultaneous equations. 3x plus 4y equals 2. 2x minus 3y equals 7. So I've called 3x plus 4y equals 2 equation 1, and I've called 2x minus 3y equals 7 equation 2. The first thing you've got to do is decide which variable you're going to eliminate. It doesn't make any difference which ones you eliminate. I'm going to eliminate x. So I'm going to take equation 1 and I'm going to multiply by 2. I'm then going to take equation 2 and multiply by 3. That will mean my x values will both be 6, so I can then eliminate them. So if I multiply equation 1 by 2, I get 6x plus 8y equals 4. Then multiply equation 2 by 3, I get 6x minus 9y equals 21. I'm now going to subtract equation 3 from equation 4. So I'm going to have 6x minus 9y equals 21 minus 6x plus 8y equals 4. So 6x minus 6x gives me no x, minus 9 minus plus 8 gives me minus 17y, 21 minus 4 gives me 17. So y is equal to minus 1. I can now substitute y equals minus 1 into any of my 4 equations to solve for x. So I'm going to substitute into equation 1. So I get 3x plus 4 times minus 1 equals 2. So I get 3x minus 4 equals 2. So 3x equals 6. So x equals 2. So my solutions are x equals 2 and y equals minus 1.